Jenner is blaming the paparazzi now for the fatal car crash she was involved in last year in Malibu.
Now, one of the crash survivors is suing Jenner. CBS 2's Amber Lee spoke to an expert on whether this could hold up in court.
Now taking aim at the paparazzi, she wants to hold them partly responsible for that now infamous deadly crash on PCH in 2015, which in part was captured by a surveillance video from a Metro bus.
This is a really interesting case. You may recall that the issue of paparazzi chasing celebrities and causing accidents or dangerous conditions has been discussed since the death of Princess Diana.
We've obtained court documents of a cross-complaint filed by Caitlyn Jenner's attorneys, which claimed the crash was in part caused by celebrity photographers trying to stalk Jenner to get a picture.
All she's saying basically is she's saying, look, if I'm liable at all for the damage that the plaintiff suffered, then the court should make a fair apportionment between what I have to pay and what these paparazzi and their employers have to pay.
Court documents cite so-called stalker defendants, the photographers and their employers, and also the Prius driver who was involved in the multi-car pileup which killed 69-year-old Kim Howe. Jenner's black Cadillac Escalade slammed into Howe's white Lexus, which then forced her car to swerve into the oncoming traffic. In these new court documents, Jenner's attorneys say legal responsibility for the crash should be passed on to the photographers, who they accuse acted together to track Jenner by speeding up to tailgate and driving too close to get a picture.
California's anti-paparazzi law is definitely going to play a factor in this case. That law makes it a crime for a paparazzi to drive recklessly in pursuit of an image.
One of the attorneys who represents a photographer named in the complaint sent us this statement, which reads in part, "It's unfortunate that Miss Jenner does not simply take responsibility for her actions instead of trying to cast blame on innocent parties for this unfortunate accident which caused death and serious injury." Jenner was never charged in the crash, and she settled a wrongful death lawsuit with the family of Kim Howe. Amber Lee, CBS 2 News.